Are you fucking serious? No, bro. Are you I mean, I can't really be mad because it was my own fault. There it goes. Okay. No. My mama didn't raise no quitter. And quitters never win. And winners never quit. We're going again. That edit. And Dharma? Yes. No. 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 You in 60s darn Dharma, man. I might just wait. I wish it was that easy, man, where I wouldn't have to be like, oh, I want to just stream games and it's fine, it's gonna be fine, it's gonna be okay. But what this other guy does is like, he just puts a video on YouTube with him just being like, and it just gets like 2 mil. Like, what the fuck? I'm just trying out here, man. If you spam the jump button when you're going up a steep ass cliff, it makes you feel like you're going up faster. Look at that. That is the peak animal right there. Look at that. Look at how fast this thing is. Get on up there. Get on in here. I guess we're in the south. It's now one of the spookier zones. Any one of these endgame zones is enough to slap us in the kneecap, man. So we just gotta be careful wherever we go. No quest here. The place is just like, hey, how's it going? Yeah, you made it to Southis, yeah? Wow, you actually fucked up. There's nothing here for you. Why would you come here? Imagine coming here and thinking there was something to do. See. I just remembered what this quest does. Just now. When, okay. So when you kill a druid or a sentinel, it's gonna summon another mob. I just remembered that. It's fine. No, it's good. Oh, God. Oh, it's 57. What the fuck? I don't like this already. Oh my God, what? That heal. Don't heal yourself again? Yeah, okay, alright. Big funny man, okay. He's also a druid. Holy shit! No. 58? Yeah, we're leaving. I don't care. This thing sounds all 58s on you. We're gonna leave. This zone sucks right now. This is the only quest in this entire area. And it's just complete ass. Let's go back to Ungoro. There's quite a few things we can do there too. Yeah, that's a spooky quest. I should have taken your word for it. Yeah, we have all this stuff to do. Ungoro Ash, we have another quest over here that's saying go around this, and we have another one that's saying go into the middle of this and find this dude and escort him back. I'm using my pointer fingers at you. You won't do nothing about my sass. Are you sure about that? Are you actually seriously sure about that, sir? 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 Are you sure? You wanna go down that road? I'm not gonna do anything about it. Shit. Well, that's highly unfortunate considering I control the fucking stream. I'm kidding. Jeez. I'm just gonna be like, hey, fuck this, I'm out. I wouldn't do that. No, come back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah. Come on. We just got off the mountain. I'm just trying to wake your ass up. You're not gonna hit him, dude. You have a club. You could at least hit him with the club. It's just a little bit, just a little slap. I mean, just something. Oh, come on. Pain in my ass. Oh, my ass. Oh, my ass. I want to hear about my butt. Oh. You sure? Are you sure you don't want to hear about it? You know I want to hear about it. Come on, man. You know you're into that shit. The legs. Oh, we're level 55. Damn, look at us. Look at all getting big. Ugh. We're back up to where we were. Finally.